Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
We are laying a red carpet for all global companies to come and establish their presence in India. Very few countries will offer the kind of opportunities that India does today. Indians have the spirit to achieve what is believed to be impossible. No wonder that in India we are already seeing green shoots when it comes to economic recovery. In this time of a pandemic, we have provided relief to our citizens and undertaken deep structural reforms. We are making the economy more productive, investment friendly and competitive. Our relief package has been smart and targeted to provide the most poor with the most help. Thanks to technology, every penny has reached the beneficiaries directly. Relief includes providing free cooking gas, cash in the bank accounts, free food grains to millions of people and many other things. As soon as we unlock, we have launched one of the world's largest public works program to provide employment to millions of workers. This will not only re-energize the rural economy, but also help in creation durable infrastructure in the rural areas. Friends, India remains one of the most open economies in the world. There are investment opportunities in the defense sector. With relaxed FDI norms, one of the world's biggest militaries invites you to come and make products for it. Now, there are more opportunities for private investment in space sector. This will mean greater access to commercial use of space tech for the benefit of people. India is ready to do whatever it can do to further global good and prosperity. This is an India that is reforming, performing and transforming. This is an India that offers new economic opportunities. This is an India that is adopting a human-centric and inclusive approach to development.